all this was worthy of a review. Now, Michelle and I rode the Dark Knight for our first time this season. How was it?
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, it was pretty cool because they got some different effects going on now. And they've touched it up a little bit inside there. Like, remember where there used to be those clowns on the hologram wall? That, yeah, they did. The hologram, like where the clowns would be, they had some like lights flashing, and the audio, the line where it says you either die a villain or you die a hero or you live long enough to become the villain. That line. Oh, there's us.
That's funny.
And so like they threw that line in there. Some of the other effects just seemed to pop a little better. I think it was a lot better of a ride than normal. The sound, the truck at the end when it honks at you, it actually made some noise, more noise, made it kind of a little spookier if you don't know what's coming. So I would say Dark Knight has great effects going now. Yeah, it was fun. It was worth a review on that. If you get a chance to check it out, do so.